Brandon's News. Thank you for watching the news. Okay, today's news is about things that happen on the internet. When you give your personal stuff on the internet or say things that may incriminate you or give your person you're married to suspicions to know that you're having a secret life. Well, today on the news I seen that this lady was married to this man that was having a secret life on the internet, on Facebook, no mind you. He was with another woman having, relationship with this woman online, and it all has to do with these kids that they're fighting for. I'm gonna play this video, and at the end I want you to comment. Tell me what you think about this. I think the man is a retard, dumbass, and he needs to wake up and see what he done was wrong. Okay.
New developments now in a double life caught on Facebook. An Ohio woman says she discovered her husband was married to another woman online. Now both sides are in court fighting over their children. And this is Jeff Rosen has the latest now. Hey Jeff, good morning.
Hi, and good morning to you. Look, just when you think this can't get any more vicious, it does. Accusations of a secret double life, a secret second marriage, and photo evidence posted all over Facebook. Stuck in the middle of all of this, 2 young children. Now a judge is getting involved and making some decisions.
My decision is, once you screw up like that, I think you should be held accountable. I guess every marriage has a fault, and when it does, you should tell your spouse that I'm no longer in love with you, so they know that you're going to break it off. Don't go behind your wife's back or your husband's back and do this type of things. So let me play it, and you can hear more about it.
It's hard to imagine how something so beautiful could turn so ugly. A fairy tale wedding along Italy's Amalfi Coast, the year 2005. John and Lynn France were madly in love.
That was a dream. This is a nightmare.
Today, Lynn France calls her husband a terrorist who stole their 2 little boys.
These?
I wouldn't call this man a terrorist. I think that's too far out there. But if you think so, leave a comment down below. I would appreciate it. And I'm going to play the rest of the video without any interruptions. Thank you for watching the video.
Our babies, they need their mother. He is holding them from me and using that as a weak point against me, knowing that I can break down and I will break down.
After 3 years together, she caught John with another woman, and soon Lynn says she got the shock of a lifetime. John married that other woman at Disney World while still married to her. Lynn even found the photos posted on Facebook, along with pictures of that woman raising her kids. Lynn first told her story last month here on Today.
Married to me with our children in one state and with her in another state.
Double life.
Complete double life.
But John says he's not a cheater. That dream wedding to Lynn in Italy isn't even legal because of a clerical error.
We're confident with the facts that we're going to present that the marriage will show that it's invalid.
Now the focus is on the children. Today they live with John France and his new wife in Florida. Lynn hasn't seen her boys in 4 months, saying John keeps standing in the way.
He first took them, he called me and said I could have them under the stipulation of his demands. He wants me to sign papers that essentially state we're not married.
There is no strings attached. She can come and see the children anytime she wants. She could have seen them today. People are making me the bad guy, like I'm the bigamist and I'm holding the kids hostage. But you know, once the facts are presented in court, they're going to have a completely different view of what happened.
Your papers have indicated.
And that's exactly where this case just landed. Wednesday, a judge in Tampa heard the arguments.
There is something very seriously wrong with the result that will keep children away from their mothers.
Mr. France's rights to these children are equal to the others in every respect.
The judge ruled the kids must remain in Florida while the feuding parents work out a custody deal with a mediator.
Honestly, Jeff, it's like mediating with the Taliban. How are you going to mediate with a terrorist like him?
I don't consider it a victory. Look, neither me or Linda's going to win. I have to make sure the boys win.
But after 2 weddings, dozens of Facebook photos, and now court, the boys end this day exactly where they started, stuck in the middle. John says the kids are better off with him in Florida, and this morning that's exactly where they remain. Now here's what's next. Both sides will go to mediation now to hammer out a custody deal. If they can't reach a deal, and they're going to have to head back to court, and the judge will make the final ruling on all of it. You have to feel for these kids here.
Judge. Thank you so much this morning.
Okay, what did you think about that video? I'm sure disgusted about that. I wish that it wouldn't have happened. I'm not a big fan of people that do that. When they get married, it should be together. And it should be a committed relationship. If you don't want to have a committed relationship, you should be in a relationship. It should be broken off, and you should tell your other spouse that, hey, I don't feel the love anymore. I want to step away from it. And I just think that what he did was wrong. I wouldn't call him a terrorist. I think that's taking it too far there. Well, maybe you would call him that. But let me know what you would call him. Leave a message down below and let me know. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.